and Attorney Willie De Ungria. To all of you racing fans, good afternoon. Welcome back once again here to Southern Club's Leisure Park na Cavite, the home of Sport of Kings, where racing is always at its best. Race number 1, good luck on your first pick 5 tickets. Anytime now, 1,000 meters is the dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. Final judgment is Karabi open, moving up by the rail, then followed by Tabaco. Wilkoski running on the outside is Statues by the rail. In between runners, early greeting, then followed by Monte Napoleone and Cat is bringing up the rear. Rounding at the 600B open, final judgment being thrown up. The challenge moves up to grab the lead. Shuffle back in third is Karab as they race for home. We have final judgment running on the outside. B open is by the rail and racing now in third is Statues. Then moving up Tabaco, Wilkoski and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Final judgment followed by B open in second, then moving up by the rail. Cat Statues is on the outside. Its final judgment is Statues Tabaco with 50 meters. Final judgment Tabaco Statues, and finally close one between Tabaco and Statues. Then comes runner number 9 Wilkoski. Final judgment and Cat for your Pentafecta.